Hi everyone, I got something I want to show you here real quick. This is a Ferro rod by Prepared is the name of the company. Now it comes in a little heavy, 10 ounces, 283 grams. It is a little heavy, but it is really cool tool. I've had it for about a month now and I've been playing with it and I really like it. But some of you guys have seen this thing and some of you haven't. But it's got a rope in it. It's got some hemp rope. It's a 1/4 inch rope and it actually runs through the tool. You can see that. And you can actually adjust your flame by just pulling it in, and to turn it off or to put it out you just pull it all the way in. It measures out 6 inches by 1 inch. And this rope, you can get it online. This particular rope, they call it hemp rope, or wick rope. It does have kind of a waxy film on it. But you can get this rope anywhere, as long as it's a hemp rope, will work. But I'm going to light it up here and show you how it works. Now to light this thing, all you're going to do is take the end of the rope and fray it out. Get it nice and fluffy, if you can see that. And then just kind of leave about that much out. I kind of like to bend it up just a little bit. There you go. First strike. To put it out, just pull it all the way back in. Now guys, if you can't get a fire lit with this thing, chances are you're probably not going to get a fire lit. So all you hikers out there, backpackers, campers, car campers, even you preppers, if you don't have one of these things, I highly suggest you get one. Works really good. So there you have it, guys. Got me a nice little fire going here. Thanks for watching.